update. I'm a new YouTuber, by the way, so HHN update, another update. So it's Sugars. I guess they're doing some construction here, as you can see. House of 1,000 Corpses, our first maze, as you can see. You kind of see a little bit. You know, you can see the lights and stuff like that. You know, you can kind of see the lights. It's always boxed up, which honestly sucks. See the Universal Express, yeah, guys. So nothing really much to see other than that. I'm really excited, guys. Maybe when we go later today for the showing, maybe we'll see the Walking Dead right here. And we have Secret Life of Pet work. Holy hell, that looks amazing. Look at that guy. We got Holidays in Hell. Amazing. It looks so good. So we have Father Time. We have the rooster. You guys can see, I think these are the lights, you know? You can kind of see a tiny, holy hell. You can kind of see. Kind of see a little bit. If you can, my camera focus on that, it says right there. Yeah, Halloween Horror Nights, guys. That looks, holy hell, that looks amazing. And I don't know if these are going to be for HHN. Hopefully, I think they honestly probably will be, to be honest. So yeah, guys. And here we also have another pair of lights. So yeah, we're going to go to The Walking Dead for the third time today. If you don't believe me, well, I am. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited. It's my favorite ride. Not even ride, attraction here at Universal Studios. And yeah, guys. I'm so scared to drop my phone, but as you can see, we have like that big black puffy jacket, you know. And we also have the circus tent. Yeah, I think they're probably done. Yeah, if not already. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. They're probably done. And if they're not, they're probably really close. And as you can see, the circus tent for Killer Clowns from Outer Space. And yeah, guys, can't wait. You can see here's the Nintendo Land stuff going on, you know. So yeah, can't wait. This is a better view, guys. You guys can see the Vision Quest. So yeah, guys.
Expert on this, I will let me tell you a bit more. That's so. I'm Helen. Be sure to watch those arms and legs as those trap gates will be opening. But thank you for joining us here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. And like we say in the movie industry, that's a wrap. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day here.
So Halloween Horror Nights. Halloween Horror Nights. You guys can kind of see, you know. Maybe I'll try and get a little closer.
¿Cuándo pasamos por esa fuente?
Guys, if you guys can see, you can see like the Ghostbusters maze with the fire hydrant. I mean, not the fire hydrant, the firehouse. You know, you have another. I think this is. I forgot. I'm dumb. Oh, Creep Show. Yeah, this is firehouse. So yeah, guys, I think that about wraps up my first HHN construction video. Hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to drop a like, sub, and comment, and have a nice day. Peace.